और बेटा सभी स्टूडेंट्स ध्यान से सुनेंगे. एंड ऑफ द क्लास आई विल आस्क यू द क्वेश्चंस. मैं आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी. So what we did in the previous class, what are microorganisms? Micro means the small living organisms. So the small living organism which we cannot see with our naked eyes, these are called the microorganisms. So there are some living organisms around us which we cannot see with naked eyes. These are called the microorganisms. And microorganisms are also called the microbes. Then some of the microorganisms cannot see without microscope. We cannot see bacteria and viruses without a microscope. हम वायरसेस, बैक्टीरियाज एंड प्रोटोजोआ को विदाउट माइक्रोस्कोप देख ही नहीं सकते. एल्गी एंड फंगाई यू कैन सी विद योर आईज. ओके, सो these are the groups of microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa, viruses. We did about the bacteria. Where bacteria is found? Bacteria found in the warm, moderate temperature or in the moisture area. Today we will discuss about the fungi in the class. Then algae grow in the water bodies. Protozoa also grows in the water, and viruses grow anywhere, but it find the living organism for its growth. Mannat, please stop eating or drinking in the class. So what we did, the groups of microorganisms, it is of 5 types: bacteria, protozoa, algae, fungi, and viruses. Now here is the habits of bacteria we did yesterday. It found anywhere. You can find bacteria in the sea, fresh water, soil, rocks, trees, barks, clothes, or food, air. Anywhere bacteria can find. Then bacteria can survive under harsh conditions also. It can adapt themselves in the harsh conditions also, in the ice cold areas, in the snowy areas, in the mountains, in the hot springs, in the hot deserts, deep dark seas or marshy areas. Then it found inside the bodies of animals and humans also. It can find in the inside body, means in our mouth, and in the inside the body of humans and animals both. Then here is the characteristics of bacteria, that bacteria is a unicellular. It has cell wall, but it has no definite structure. It is also called prokaryote. Why it is called prokaryote? Because it is a unicellular organism. It is not having any nucleus. Then its favorite condition, means bacteria की favorable conditions क्या हैं? Where it easily or fastly grow. Moderate temperature, moisture, presence of food. Now these are the heterotrophic, but some are the autotrophic, means they are both characteristics, means they can be autotrophic or heterotrophic both. ये कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो autotrophic होते हैं और कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो heterotrophic होते हैं. Now what are autotrophic? Autotrophic are those who make their own food, and heterotrophic are those who take the food from the others. So these are the basic characteristics of bacteria. Now here is the shapes of bacteria: spherical, rod shaped, spiral, spherical makes a ring-like structure. Okay. Then vibro makes a coma-shaped structure. Spiralum is of spiral structure basically. So these are the structures of bacteria. ये कुछ shapes हैं, structures हैं bacteria के. Then this is the most important topic, that what are the useful bacteria? So E. coli, Actobacter, Lactobacillus, or Streptomycin, Gramicidin, or Rhizopus bacteria are the useful bacteria. Now E. coli bacteria is present in the grass, in the leaves, in the plant product. We get the Escherichia coli, which present in the intestine and which helps in the digestion. Then Actobacter is used for forming the vinegar. Vinegar जो सिरका होता है उसको form करने के लिए we use Actobacter bacteria. We use that vinegar in the salads also. और lactobacillus it is used for forming curd. lactobacillus जो बैक्टीरिया है उसको मिल्क में डाला जाता है for making the curd, दही जमाने के लिए. Then preparing vaccines and antibiotics. जो vaccines और antibiotics आप लेते हैं it is made by the bacteria. ये भी बैक्टीरिया की हेल्प से बनती हैं. Streptomycin और gramicidin we extract from the bacteria for making the vaccines and antibiotics. Then nitrogen fixation bacteria. Rhizopus is a bacteria which present in the legumes, roots of the legumes. What are legumes? Legumes are the pea plant. Pea plant जो मटर का plant होता है उसके roots में rhizopus bacteria होता है which helps in the nitrogen fixation and which convert the nitrogen into the amino acid and which helps in the growth of a pea plant. Pea plant जो होता है वो nitrogen लेता है for its growth. Okay, so these are the useful bacteria. Now here are some harmful bacteria like it spoils the milk, meat, fruits, vegetables, other food items, and it causes the disease also. Like anthrax is a bacterial disease which is caused by the So these are the diseases which are caused by the bacteria like anthrax, cholera, diphtheria and whooping cough, diarrhea, typhoid, tuberculosis, tetanus, plague, pneumonia, leprosy. These are the bacterial diseases which affect the bacteria which affect our body and which causes these disease. Now bacteria in the plants. Plant can also affected by the bacteria. Plants भी affected होते हैं bacteria से and that bacteria name is bacterial wilt, which destroys the leaves of the which spoils the leaves of the plant, spoils the fruit of the plant. Okay, so these are the some bacteria affects the plants also and that bacteria is bacterial wilt. Now important question in this one for RMS. Who discovered bacteria? So Anthony van Leeuwenhoek who discovered the bacteria. Bacteria को किसने discover किया था? So this is the name of the साइंटिस्ट हु डिस्कवर्ड द बैक्टीरिया, जिसने बैक्टीरिया को डिस्कवर किया था. तो ये नेम है उस पर्सन का.
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप.